Hi there, Alan here from American Recorder, and today I'm going to show you how to clean the tape path of your reel-to-reel recorder. The recorder's entire tape path includes an erase, record, and playback tape heads, capstan, pinch roller, tape guides, and tape tension arms. Each one of these components has to be thoroughly cleaned to ensure the best possible recording and playbacks. We start the cleaning process by taking our CO2 dust and particle remover and blowing away any residual dust and dirt from the tape path. To clean, we use our S721H professional cleaning fluid, which is very effective at breaking down and removing the tape oxides and adhesive residues left behind from the audio tape. The fluid has a very low surface tension, making it ideal for penetrating and removing buildups from the tape head's critical microgap area. Start by dipping a cotton swab into the cleaning fluid and apply the swab tip to the tape heads. Once done cleaning the erase, record, and playback heads, you can move to the capstan and then the tape guides and tension arms. Finally, don't forget to clean the pinch roller. Once the swab is dirty, always replace with fresh fluid and swab. Once done cleaning all these components, give the tape path one more spray with the CO2 just to make sure to remove any residual dust and dirt. Keep in mind reel-to-reel parts do age and deteriorate. A worn tape head will cause a loss of fidelity, possibly requiring it to be relapped or even replaced. The rubber pinch rollers naturally break down over time and may have to be replaced as well. Also important is to regularly demagnetize the tape heads to remove any residual magnetism that could result in loss of fidelity. You can find this and other helpful information at our website, www.americanrecorder.com.